There we go, floor 8, room C, in T2 I think. I'll put it in the notes. Decent shower, we can get 2 in there, quite comfortably. Little kitchen. Double room, very nice and clean. And the balcony is something else. The balcony is huge. I think we've got the biggest balcony. We've got the top floor. So if you're in Tower 2, floor 8, room C, C for Charlie, it's the biggest balcony you could possibly want. There's the beach is over there, that way. Bit of work getting done. There we go. Tower 2, Levante Club, possibly Lux. I'll put it in the notes. Floor 8, room C.
Okay.
Give us a wave.